Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.